Amigos, yo soy María Fernanda, and in this video I'm going to test your knowledge of 15 weird Spanish words. Here are the rules. I give you a sentence and you have to guess what it means. 5 out of 15 is a pass. And why only 5? Well, because this quiz is going to be tough. So, are you ready? Here is our first question. Número 1. No comas mucho dulce. No te vayas a empalagar. A. Get a stomachache. B. Getting sick from eating too much food. C. So sweet that it's nauseating. Hola, ¿vendrá tu concuño a la comida familiar? A. The husband of your sister-in-law. B. Your brother-in-law. C. Your brother's partner. Hola, ¿te gustaría un café? Ay, no, mejor me espero para la sobremesa. Gracias. A. A special kind of table. B. The dessert table. Or C. The spare time we spend together after a meal. No vuelvo a tomar. Traigo una cruda que no aguanto. A. Bad taste in my mouth. B. Hangover. Or C. Headache. Las cartas son un juego de azar. A. Fun. B. Family. C. Chance. La felicidad es una sensación efímera. A. Something that lasts longer than anything else. B. Something that lasts forever. C. Something that doesn't last much. Número 7. Hay experiencias y situaciones que vives que son inefables. A. Something that can be explained. B. Something that can fail. Or C. Something awful. Medio tiempo. ¿Cómo vas hasta ahora? To improve your Spanish tones, make sure to download the Spanish Kit with essential chunks that you can use in conversations right away. The link is in the description. Ahora, continuemos con las siguientes 8 preguntas. Número 8. A esta mujer le encanta pavonearse cada que hablamos de viajes. A. To talk about something. B. To brag or show off about something. Or C. To speak too loud. Número 9. El restaurante está bien gacho. La verdad, no lo recomiendo. A. Dirty. B. Small. C. Uncool or sloppy. Ya deja de estar de berrinchuda, que apenas y te toqué. Además, fue sin querer. A. Someone that is bad-tempered. B. Someone that cries too much. Or C. Someone that gets teased easily. Número 11. Hay gatos que no paran de ronronear. A. Purr. B, eat. C, scratch. Número 12. Ya quiero que sea mañana para estrenar mis zapatos. A, to clean. B, to wear again. Or C, to use them for the first time. Número 13. Odio las historias de terror. Me causan escalofríos y luego no puedo dormir. A, nightmares. B, goosebumps. Or C, cold feet. Número 14. Mi esposo es una persona alta, grande y está llenito, pero así me gusta. A, chubby. B, slim. C, full. Okay, una más. After that one, let me know in the comments below how many did you get right. Did you get at least 5 correct and passed? Anyhow, let's continue to the last question. Número 15. Mi vecino está orate. Le encanta ver la tele a todo volumen a las 2 de la mañana. A, deaf. B, lost his mind. C, alone. That was tough, huh? Well, I have another quiz for you. That one will be a little easier, where I will show you 10 objects and you will have to guess the names of these objects in Spanish. Ready for object number 1? Then click the image in the screen so we can continue.